See, in
Yeah.
each and every mobile, it has, in each and every mobile, it will have home page, right? So in
Yeah.
application, page will be included and contacts will be included, camera will be included. Can I ask you something? Camera is a
Yeah.
software or a hardware? Do you have any idea about that? Camera is an hardware or software?
Hardware.
Good. So we can access the hardware using applications. Okay. So we'll be
Yeah.
seeing. Yeah, great, great, great. SMS will be there, alarm will be there, time, calendar, music, gallery, phone, clock, email will be there. Every features which is in your mobile will be considering as an application. Okay. Application
Yeah.
framework. What is application framework? It's, see, every application will have a framework. Okay. If you want to create an
Hmm.
application, it consists of a number of activities which is inside the application. In one application, so let's consider you are
Hmm.
using WhatsApp, right? You use
Yeah.
WhatsApp. For WhatsApp, there
Yeah.
are number of frameworks which is available. For chart option, each and every chart option has an activity. Each and every activity will, the number of activity will have a framework. So that is how it works. You got my point? Am I
Yeah.
confused?
Yeah. Yeah.
Oh, I am confusing.
No. No.
Okay. See,
Yeah.
activity manager will be there. Package manager will be there. Package manager is nothing but in Android Studio, you will be having number of packages. So according to your requirements, you will use that. I'll teach you that. So it will be more
Okay.
confusing if you teach this architecture, but even tomorrow I'll teach the architecture in the same way. Okay. And we'll
Yes.
recall the architecture and we'll move to next part. Okay.
Yeah.
Package manager, you will have every package manager. Let me show you. Once again, I think it is working. Okay, it does not. See, package manager is, yeah. See, inside this RIS folder, you will be having number of non-coding resource folders. Okay, that is the reason we
Yeah.
are calling this folder. This will be the package. I'll be explaining while explaining the project structure. You will know everything. Okay.
Okay.
Yeah. NFC service will be there. NFC is nothing but near service communication thing. Right, we are using Bluetooth, right?
Yeah.
Just like that, NFC is the new technology. So we right now have the NFC ring. Let me show you. So NFC ring is nothing but new technologies, just like smartwatch. Okay, you will be having a ring, a normal ring, so you can access your mobile using that ring. Okay, a small ring. That's it. A small chip. Using the chip, you can access your messages. You can answer the phone. Everything will be there. Okay,
Oh. Yeah.
location service. Okay, like GPRS, it will be there.
Yeah.
Windows managers. You will have number of applications, right? Usually,
Yeah.
everyone will, in every mobile it has number of applications. So you can check the applications. The Windows will be the manager. Okay,
Yeah.
notification, content provider, view system, Android runtime. See, Dalvik virtual machine is nothing but it's like an Android virtual device. Android virtual device is so simple. You are using your mobile, right? You are using mobile, right?
Hmm.
Like that,
Yeah.
Android device will be there. Let me show you. I'll show you the basic example. See, right now I'm showing this because you should know what an Android virtual device is. So I'll show you
Hmm.
how it. Yeah. It will take some time.
Yeah.
It will load. We'll discuss remaining and we'll see that AVD. Okay.
Yeah.
Hmm. Racket will be there. It is the whole part for debugging purposes. If you have any bug, you can debug it. Even the Android debug bridge is there. Even it is the part of debugging option. Debugging is your app will work. Even you will get an output, but while using it, automatically the app will get crashed. It happens. Sometime it might be happen in your mobile also. You got it right.
Yeah. Yeah.
Sometimes for application automatically it stops and it shows the option like it has stopped due to some error. So again you
Yeah. Yeah.
have to close the application, again you have to open it. It will work just
Mm.
like that. Core
Yeah.
libraries, I'll show you how the libraries work. Okay,
Yeah.
platform libraries will be there. Platform libraries like SQL, like graphics, SGL. It is it is kind of a complicated thing. I'll teach you later. Okay.
Yeah.
While teaching project structure, you will get to know what the things are. Okay. Linux kernel, as
Yeah.
we discussed, inside the operating system of Linux kernel, display driver, all the drives will be there. CD, CD drive will be there, audio drive, display drive, Wi-Fi, USB, everything, every drive will be included in kernel Linux. Okay. Let me show
Yeah.
you it is coming. See, already the color change app was teaching to some other kids. So right away, I'm showing this for an example. Okay.
Yeah.
See, this will be the AVD manager. You are using your mobile, right? Instead of you can get an output using mobile, or else we can, if the system configuration is good, you can have this own. You can create this own application. Okay. Right now, it is
Yeah.
it is because we have created it. Okay. Let me show you
Yeah.
the. See, the first page will be Dharma. If I click this, it goes to the second activity. The second activity will be Teja. And if I select this activity, it will come here. And if I select this Teja, stay safe. Due to Corona, you have to be safe. It will be there. And
Yeah.
again, it will move to first activity. Okay. So the activity is nothing
Mm.
but this
Yeah.
one. Okay. As we discussed, the number of components it is included. Okay. And that this is how the framework will be. So let's see that later. Okay.
Mm. Yeah.
So what kind of laptop you are using? I mean, what kind of PC you are using right now, Vedika?
It's Enter PC.
Intel. Okay. Intel, which processor?
No,
Let me tell you
Enter. NTER.
what I can't.
NTER.
Inter.
Hello? Yeah.
Intel, right? INTEL, right?
No, NTER.
NTER. Okay, okay, okay. See, go to this PC, right click, go to properties.
Yeah, okay.
No problem. I'll be holding. Please go to PC, go to properties. Okay.
Go to PC and
No problem. Let me tell you again. See, I'm closing everything right now. I'm going to PC, right
yeah.
click, properties option will be there. Can you see this? Properties. If you select
Yeah.
property,
Yeah.
this will be the option. See, right now, can you see my system? Right now, I am in,
Yeah.
my processor is i5 processor 9th generation. Okay. So what
Oh,
is your processor? Can you please explain? See here very clear.
it's i3. i3 8100.
8. Okay, i3 8th generation. That is great. So what is the
Yeah.
RAM mentioned? What is the RAM? Can you please
4G.
check the
4G.
great. So system type is 64-bit in my operating system. My operating system is 64-bit. So what is
Yeah,
yours?
even my same.
Great. So what we have to do is, let me. You have any disk ID, right? Have you downloaded any disk or not?
Yeah. Yeah. Downloaded.
Are you connected in mobile or you have a Wi-Fi in your house?
No, connected to mobile hotspot.
Okay. See, what we have to do is no problem. You do something. Okay. So
Yeah.
go to Chrome. I'll be sharing. See, Android Studio. See, I'm not. It is not a rocket science, Vedika. What I'm doing is simply I'm
Yeah.
mentioning Android Studio in Google. I'm entering to Android Studio. So the first page will be a download option. Okay. So what I'll do is
Yeah.
I'll copy this thing and I'll share it to you. You will be receiving Android Studio link. Okay. So the least cases I'm
Yeah.
expecting, please download Android Studio in your PC. Tomorrow we'll see you don't want to install it. Okay. I'll be helping you. Okay. So there are many other options. So according to your presence, it has to be installed. So don't do anything. Tomorrow we'll essentially we'll check about just give me a minute.
Sure.
I've been sending to Dharma. Okay. See, okay, no problem. Uh, After disconnecting this call, you will be having three things. Okay. Eventually, you'll get Android Studio link, and the second thing is the feedback.
Yeah.
If the session is really good, please make sure the feedback. You can, if there is any issues with the session, also you please mention it. By next classes, it won't happen. Okay. Surely we'll take
Yeah.
care of
Sure.
it. All of
Sure.
the service. If the service is bad, please mention it.
Yeah.
Whether it is good or not bad, it's totally fine. We'll be rectifying
Yeah.
in the second classes. Okay. And the third thing
Sure.
is
Yeah.
please make sure your internet connection is good. Got it? Tomorrow we'll be seeing
Yeah.
it is a practical option. So we'll be seeing the Android Studio. Whatever the issue is, please let me know. I'll be helping. Okay. Or
Sure.
Dharma, are
Yeah.
you there? Mr. Dharma, are you there?
No, sir. He was.
Okay, no problem. No problem. I'll take care. Just give me a moment. Okay, so we'll introduce Dharma later. Okay, if you have any questions, let me know after the session, or you can any doubts, please
Sure.
ask it 8148. Okay, 8148
Yeah.
8148 11 will be the number for doubt session. Okay, in WhatsApp you can ask the doubts. Okay, from morning 10 o'clock to evening 8 o'clock, you can ask any doubts. Okay, regarding
Yeah.
Android.
Sure.
Okay. And eventually, if the
Sure.
service is good, after disconnecting this call, you'll be getting a feedback session and the link for an Android Studio. You can ask any doubts. Clear?
Sure.
You are clear, right? I mean, as of now, it is
Yeah.
clear, right? Still, so we'll
Yeah.
discuss the architecture and the installation process later. Okay.
Yeah.
Fine.
Do
Thank
I
you.
have to download this Android Studio?
Yeah, you have to download it. But see, if it's totally fine if you're
Okay.
not downloading it, I'll take care of it. But the only point is, please make sure
I mean,
tomorrow that
today I have to download or tomorrow?
no, I'll do something. See, I'll do something. You don't want to download it now. Okay,
Okay.
tomorrow we can download it, but please make sure your internet connection is good.
Yeah.
If your internet connection is not good, we
No,
can classes.
in
See,
morning there were college classes, na. That's why it's.
no problem. See, the point is, it's nearly 900 MBR. It's almost 1 GB. Okay.
Yeah.
And after installation, again, we have to download AVD manager also. So that will be the issue. You got my
Okay.
point, right? So it will take nearly 5 to 6
Yeah.
GB. That is what the issue is. So if internet connection is not there, please let me know. So what we can do is I'll teach you how to install it, but you can access in my system. I mean, eventually you can use Android Studio in my system. It is possible through any disk. It is possible. Okay, I'll teach you how to do it, and in future you can install it. No problem. Okay.
Sure.
Even the internet connection is not good, please let me know. I'll take care tomorrow. Okay.
Sure.
Thank you, ma. Thanks for your time. Have a great day. Okay.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Yeah,
Thank
you
you.
too.